All right. First time I did this with the Kiss lashes, everybody was like, you're not doing it right, you're not doing the right angles, and you guys are probably right. So we're gonna give this a try. It's got these little like divots here. Put the lash glue in there, we're supposed to dip it, we're supposed to put it on our lash. I have the option to either put it under or over. I think I'm gonna do it under. I'm saying that like I can actually do it, but we're gonna see. I need a mirror. Actually, no, I have a mirror right here. I am gonna curl my lashes because like I always tell you guys, my lashes grow straight. I need to curl them. Please excuse the hair. I was trying to be cute last night and I try to curl it. Like with the curling cream, it's pouring, it's frizzy, it's not cute. So I'm gonna curl my lashes really quick. I'm gonna do like a kind of a gentle curl because I want this to sit nicely underneath. Now the reason I'm gonna do it underneath is because my lashes do fall down. I'm hoping that these lashes kind of catch it so that they sit. If not, it's gonna go like that. I don't know. Like I said, I'm saying all of this like I'm a pro, and I'm not. So, I'm gonna do a little curl. So I have here, I have short, medium, long. I'm going to test it to see what's gonna fit better, and I need tweezers. Give me 1 second. I've curled my lashes actually a little bit more. I think that's important. I'm gonna take this glue. Once I can place it on, I think I'm gonna be good. So again, lashes are curled more. I'm gonna just what I was worried about before was I was getting too close to my waterline, and I don't want to do that and then mess up my ojos. Next one, I'm just gonna work with the medium length. The long one it's too long for me. Truth be told, I think short would work for me across the board, but we want some like flare. Dude, this is what drove me crazy about the Kiss. Like I put one on and then the other one falls off. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Sweet. And now I think at this point I'm going to transition to the smaller ones. Let me just pinch these. So one of the things that I'm seeing is once you kind of get it on there, just let it go. Because then you move things around too much. And give it a few seconds in between. Excuse me while I pinch this. Having like a tool to pinch it after is also good. So let me just see something. Okay, I like it. I like it so far. You just gotta take your time with it. I'm gonna do one more short and I'm gonna leave it because I like how it's just making my eyes more elongated. I know this isn't gonna be perfect and that's okay because we're learning together, but I'm impressed with it so far. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so that this video is not super long. So the cool thing is that you don't have to wait for it to completely dry or get tacky or anything like that. I think one of the easier ones to use though is the one that you put the mascara on and you just pop them on, but I'm making more headway with this one than I did with the Kiss one. I also did a little more research this time, so. So yeah, you just kind of like, because the glue gets tacky quick, you just put it along the lash line, hold it, and then you let it go, and then it stays. Shoot. it'll, damn it! I think it'll go faster if I'm not explaining it, but. That's nice. That's not bad at all. I like it. What a difference. I think for my eyes, I think the short is beautiful. Like if I just do like a full thing of short, I think it would just make my lashes look like fuller. And I have to say that if you look at the like little hairs, they almost look like my lashes, like the same width and everything. That's pretty cool. I feel like because it's darker too, makes my eyes look lighter. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go do the other one. Okay, got them on. A little trial and error. Tell me why my left one looks more like than my right one, and I'm right-handed. I guess the angle was just better. So I have them on, they are dry, like if I pull, that pulls my lashes. I think they look nice. I didn't go totally into the inner lash, I just want that. So, it's Monday, and we're gonna see how long they last. They're supposed to last 3 days. So the next time I come back is gonna be 3 days from now, and then we'll see what I look like. But, it dries quick. It's actually pretty easy to apply. You really do have to get like your angles right. You just put this on a little bit and then you stick them onto your lash. But the main thing is you just, as soon as you put them on your lash, let go and move away. So we'll be back. So far, I like it a lot. I think it looks nice. Obviously, I need more practice. This side just looks a little more like perfect versus this side, but I try to get them pretty much even. And I feel like I look different. So yeah, all right. So I'll be back. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Good morning. So I had the eyelashes and I like this, both sides up like that. And I'm just gonna kind of pull them off. Yeah, see it comes off. I don't think I used enough glue. You could use the remover that it comes with. A little liquid you put on a Q-tip and just run it back and forth. But I think because I didn't put that much glue, these are just kind of coming off super easy. I do recommend using the thing to remove it. If you did use a lot of glue, I did not. So I'm just wiggling it back and forth. And you could see that like it dried down, it doesn't have a lot of glue. So it lasted a good day. I think it looks prettier than when you have a false eyelash because you don't have to worry about the band showing so much, but you also have to apply these correct. So that's my final thoughts on the lashes. I would definitely do it again though. So there you go.